Hello everyone. Are you wondering what touch-starved means? Let's explore. Touch-starved describes someone who is craving physical affection or human contact, often because they have been deprived of it for a significant period. This term highlights the importance of physical touch in human relationships, whether it's hugs, hand-holding, or any form of gentle, caring contact. Being touch-starved can lead to feelings of loneliness, sadness, or heightened emotional sensitivity, as physical touch is a basic human need that contributes to overall well-being. The concept became particularly relevant during times of social isolation, such as during the COVID-19 pandemic, when many people were unable to have normal physical interactions. In essence, touch-starved captures the deep, often unspoken longing for physical closeness that is a fundamental part of human connection and emotional health. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.